Hey guys, so welcome back to the channel, and this app packs for you and you will never forget chargers again. So guys, this application is very helpful if you are traveling. So this application will be available on the Google Play Store. So make sure to download this application to proceed with this video. So now, once you open the application, as you can see over here, just simply select your gender. I'm gonna go for male. Here at the top, just simply provide where you are going, and you will have a drop down over here. And after that, you should be able to select the date of travel and the length of stay as well. So let's say I'm gonna go for just 3 days, and it is a leisure trip, and tap on select activities. And from here, you will have multiple options. Let's say I'm gonna go for camping, and now you could just simply tap on begin packing. From here, as you can see, you will have here a recommended item of a packing list that we have, and we have different categories, and you can add a new item, and you will have different things over here. So now, if you have already packed it up, you can just simply tap on it and it will automatically be removed. And if you want to add an item, you can just simply select the plus icon over here and provide a text over here. Let's say I'm going to go for battery and check. And of course, when you pack up your battery, you can just simply tap on it and it will automatically be removed. So pretty much over here, there are multiple suggestions over here based on our trip. And that's pretty much it. This is a very simple app that you could use for your travel. Thanks for watching.